monsters. These things are big and heavy. Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to drive one? Well, strap in and hold on tight, because there goes a monster truck.
Monster Truck Driver Dave.
And I'm Monster Truck Driver Becky, but we're not real Monster Truck drivers.
Now, but the real Monster Truck drivers have agreed to let us pretend for the today so we can all learn about monster trucks and how they work.
Oh, here comes one now.
Oh, it's a big one, too.
Oh. Hey, wait a minute. I think we better get out of here.
Whoa. Whoa. He's one of the most famous monster truck drivers there is.
Come on, let's go meet him.
The big dummy monster truck. Ooh, I don't know. Oh, okay.
Oh, hi, Frank. I am Monster Truck Driver Becky, and this is my friend. Come over here. This is Monster Truck Driver Dave.
How are you?
Great.
Boy, that's the neat truck you got here.
Oh, yeah.
You guys ready to join my monster truck racing team?
Join the team! Wow! Yeah.
All right, you're going to have both learn how to drive the truck.
Drive that truck! Okay, let's go. I'm ready to go right now. I can't wait to get my hands on that steering wheel. Hey, get up like this.
Whoa, you got a lot of work to do before getting into this truck.
Oh.
Got a lot of small trucks to learn how to drive first, and then you work your way up.
Oh, start small and work our way up to the big guy.
Exactly.
Let's go.
All right.
Good?
Better. Well, actually, to get better traction, when you accelerate, slow down, back in the throttle, and accelerate.
I don't like all this instruction. I just want to drive. I know. I'll show Frank and Becky what a good monster truck driver I am. I'll show them some tricks. Oh, Frank, that was fun. I love this stuff. I'm ready for the big monster truck now. What do you say?
You gotta listen to instructions. You can't just be taking off like that.
Yeah.
I think you're out of control.
Yeah, well, I'm a good driver, and I want to drive that monster truck.
We'll have to start with Becky this time.
Good.
Hard brake.
Yeah, perfect.
Did you see that, Dave?
Now it's time for the big monster truck. seem small. These are the big tires. If Big Dummy had these tires on it, it wouldn't even fit into the trailer. So before Big Dummy can go to work, Frank has to change the tires. Finally, Big Dummy is ready to roll, and Frank is about to put her through her paces. Look at this trick. Big Dummy even goes up and down, just like an elevator. The thing that sets monster trucks apart from all the other vehicles is that they are big. They are awesome and huge. Look at the size of this tire. It's almost bigger than I am. I'll bet it's bigger than you are. These are Firestone monster truck racing tires, 66 inches tall. They cost $2,500 a piece. And the neat thing about this is that when you steer, all four wheels turn, so you can make very tight turns. And look at those shock absorbers. They're big. There's 16 of them altogether on this big monster truck. Way up in there is the great big engine. It comes down here to the transmission, and that turns these two shafts here, one to the front, one to the back, and all four wheels drive. So that gives you lots of traction. Four-wheel drive. Now, I know what you're probably wondering. How do you get in this truck? Watch this. Just push this button here, and the door opens right up. Well, the door may open up easy, but getting in this monster truck is easier said than done. Whoa! 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 Help! Help! What are you doing? Frank, I was getting in the truck and I slipped and I got hooked on something. Can you help me?
Yeah, you
Oh,
got
help me get off here, please.
Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, Dave, now that we finally got you into the monster truck, first thing, always lock in your seat belt. Mandatory. Okay, all the instrumentation that you're going to need to know how to use is basically like a regular truck, except for right here, you have the power of rear steering. And you got to learn that one real well.
What you have here is your ignition kill system. That's for a track promoter to be able to shut down your truck any point in time for a safety precaution.
Okay, Dave, put on your helmet because I'm turning it over to you.
Wait a minute, I gotta check and make sure.
Dave, are you sure that we parked this in a safe place?
Yeah, that's my dad's car. He loaned it to me special.
I know.
Told him I'd park it away from all the rest of the cars so it wouldn't get banged up.
Okay. Wow, look at this.
Oh, boy. You believe we're gonna drive the Big Dummy? Oh, boy. Okay, we're ready to go. Uh-oh. I shouldn't have done that.